Are you the only one who knows what you're doing? Are you the only one who knows where you're about to go? The truth is, when it comes to temptation, independently is not the strategy, bro. Lone soldiers are easily attacked. You can see your front, but who's watching your back? Who's carrying your bag? Who's watching your stuff? Who in your life can tell you enough is enough? He went alone. He went off track. He went off the pure path because there was nobody to hold him back. You can't fight temptation on your own. It's been tested and tried. Some who thought, I can handle this, got wounded. Some died. I am free, but I don't want to be a loose man. I want to have accountability. The presence of that person or those people will make me think again when I'm faced with sin opportunities. It's not as easy to fall into sin because when my knees are shaking, I tell him. He offers his hand or his shoulder. He warms me up when my life is colder. His presence alone keeps me walking on my purity walk. His silence is impactful. He doesn't even have to talk. Hey bro, I don't think God designed us to go through this journey and jungle of life on our own. The importance of accountability will never be outgrown. You need someone and someone needs you. It's risky to be the only one who knows what you do. I know you're a big man, big chest, big feet, but a big man walking alone, easy defeat. You don't need to fight alone, bro. You've got godly backing. That addictive enemy has hurt you enough. It's time to send him packing. You may not be able to let him go by yourself, but together we can sack him. Get out and stay out, you addiction, and don't come back in. That's why we pray together. That's why we stay together, because together it's an easier fight. Temptation may come to individuals, but we are accountable to the group. If you're available, see you tonight. God bless you, bro. Have a nice day.